Today we're visiting one of Phuket's most iconic luxury beachfront resorts, the beautiful Dusit Thani Laguna Phuket. Nestled along the soft white sands of Bang Tao Beach on Phuket's stunning west coast, this five-star resort combines elegant Thai hospitality with world-class facilities, making it a favorite destination for couples, families, and luxury travelers alike. One of the biggest advantages of staying at Dusit Thani Laguna Phuket is the location within the prestigious Laguna Phuket Resort Complex. Guests enjoy direct access to an 8-kilometer stretch of golden beach while being surrounded by tropical gardens and tranquil lagoons. The resort is also conveniently located just 18 kilometers from the Phuket International Airport, making the journey about 25 to 30 minutes by car. After a long flight, you will be relaxing next to the Andaman Sea in no time. The most popular time to visit is from November to April, when Phuket enjoys its dry season. During these months, visitors can expect plenty of sunshine, calm seas, and temperatures averaging between 28 and 32 degrees Celsius. It's the perfect weather for swimming, island hopping, golfing, and enjoying spectacular sunsets over the Andaman coast. The resort itself offers beautiful appointed rooms and suites, many featuring private balconies with views of either the ocean or the peaceful lagoons. Guests can also choose from luxurious villas that provide additional privacy and truly memorable holidays. Dining is another highlight. You will find a wonderful selection of restaurants serving authentic Thai cuisine, fresh seafood, Mediterranean favorites, and international dishes. Whether you're enjoying breakfast overlooking the beach or a romantic dinner at sunset, every meal becomes part of the holiday experience. Hotel reviews constantly praise the exceptional service provided by the friendly and attentive staff. Visitors frequently comment on the immaculate grounds, spacious rooms, peaceful atmosphere, and excellent beachfront locations. Families appreciate the children's activities and large swimming pool, while couples often describe the resort as romantic, relaxing, and perfect for a special getaway. Many returning guests mention that the warm Thai hospitality keeps bringing them back year after year. There's also plenty to explore nearby. Just minutes away is Boat Avenue, one of Phuket's most popular shopping and dining districts. Golf enthusiasts can enjoy the award winning Laguna Golf Phuket, located within the resort complex. For adventure seekers, day trips to the famous PP Islands, Phang Nga Bay, or James Bond Island are easily arranged. Colorful night markets, beach clubs, and local cultural attractions are all within easy reach. If you're searching for a luxurious beachfront escape that combines outstanding service, an unbeatable location, beautiful surroundings, and easy access to Phuket's top attractions, Dusit Thani Laguna Phuket deserves a place on the top of your travel list. Whether you're planning a romantic honeymoon, a family holiday, or simply a relaxing tropical retreat, this elegant resort offers everything you need for an unforgettable stay in paradise. This is obviously a very, very beautiful place, and there's so much stuff around this area. And it's all 5 stars all the way. Absolute tropical paradise. But let's look at some of the important numbers. I get this information from Agoda. I'll leave the link to Agoda in the video description so you can check it out, check out the prices on your dates, and get more information if you're interested. The starting price right now, looking 2 months ahead, I can get a room for 4,046 Thai baht per night. That's about 125 US dollars per night. But of course, that's the cheapest room available, and before taxes. But still, 4,000 baht a night is pretty reasonable in my opinion. But let's look at the customer reviews. What do the average visitor think of this place? This hotel has a customer rating of 8.6 out of 10, which is pretty good. Really good for Agoda, in my opinion. But that's only with 3,616 reviews. That's not very many, not for a place of this size and a place that's been around for so many years. But still, the people that are doing reviews seem to really like it here. All right, guys, there it is. As always, thanks for watching. If you're new here and you like these kind of videos, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And I'll see you on the next one.